What's going on, family? As you can see, I'm in the SRT, but really what I'm doing now, today I'll be installing this Mopar T-shifter, and to do that I would have to take this shifter off, this handle right here. So as I can see, you only need a flat head and this tool right here. I also got another project I'm gonna do with this right here. Let me show you. So I'm going to put this carbon fiber panel on. So when I do that, I'll just take the 3M tape off and put this contact cement on. And I use this brush right here to put some of this on like this. And then I'm just gonna go across it like that. But let's get back to the shifter. We gonna start with the flat head and we gonna prop this down. Just go around it. There you go. And it got a little, look like it got a little piece on it. And that's what you use these for. Gonna open it up. You're gonna take this. Gonna slide it through like that. See? We got it off now. And we just gonna pull this up. There we go. So now the shifter look just like this. So what you want to do with this part and this, want to put them back in like that. Now that we have the little pin back in, now you put the bottom back on. And there, that's it for this part. So what you need to do, put this up just in case you want to put this back on. But we just move this out the way. Put this right here and this. Now we're gonna put a little alcohol on a paper towel. There we go. And we're gonna clean the surface. Oh man. Just knocking out 2 birds with 1 stone. Yep. Since I already got this off, might as well do this along with it. So let's get to the panel part. Okay, let me peel this 3M tape off. There we go. We there. Oh, this might be pretty good. I might not need it. Let's see. We gonna see. Yeah, it stick pretty good right there. Here we go. There we go. Just take it easy with it. There we go. You want to take it easy with it. There we go. How you do it? Push it down. Yep, see? Still good. Just push it around. Put this back in. We good. I think I did pretty good. So now we got the Mopar T shifter. See the emblem, Mopar. And they give us this little tool so we can tighten this piece up right here. But we have to put this on first. So there we go. And you adjust it how you want it. Then you come around here, tighten it up. Oh. See that, tighten up. Do the other one like that. Okay. See, there you go. See? And that's it. So, that's all for this. Look pretty good with the carbon fiber and the T-shifter. But that's it for this one. Y'all be safe, family. Peace.